To cancel GNC order. Now, there will be information by them, of course, that's saying this isn't possible. So unfortunately, there isn't really a feature inside GNC itself where you can cancel. But for more information over here, this is on how you can change or cancel your GNC.com order after it has been submitted. So again, unfortunately, GNC does not have the ability to cancel or reroute your order once it has been placed. So if you want to get in touch with their team, just go ahead to the contact page of GNC itself. You should be able to find it inside GNC itself. So it could be here, start chat. If you have a different option where you can find it, then that's good for you. But anyways, to return your item, that is the only option you have. You can go back to the contact us where you can ask them to have your item returned, or you return the item, or by mail once it has been received as well. So for in-store pickup orders will be automatically canceled if it's not picked up though. So maybe that is your only option, to just not pick it up, and it will be canceled since you didn't pick it up within 5 days of the ready for pickup email. But that is the only situation where your order gets canceled. There isn't a manual option. This is the only information they have about order cancellations in GNC. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.